Ow!
The following message is transmitted of Homeland Security and Emergency Preparedness. This is a fire warning for the Hudson community between Winfield and Sykes in central Wynn Parish. A large wildfire has ignited near and east of Highway 34 near Booger Hollow Road, and is spreading east-northeast towards the town of Sykes. Residents of Brewer Road, J. White Road, J. Creel Road, Leach Road, Hurricane Grove Road, Rabbit Road, H. Buston Road, Roy James Road, J.D. Boyett Road, East Parker Road, Cleo Adams Road, Williams Road, Slaughter Road, L. Buston Road, Jim Gates Road, Hammonds Road, and Burnett Road are under a mandatory evacuation order.
The show anyway. He still hates the card thing.
A little secret, Mikey. We're all sick of the cards thing.
Really? Then why do it?